Inside insects. The purpose of this exploration is to learn about animals and their skeletons. This info tab has one extension lesson idea listed. It also includes a URL address for our website that includes an informational sheet about all 36 insects along with lesson ideas. The Settings tab allows you to toggle the initial view on the screen between outside and inside. Let's begin with outside. As you can see, the screen now contains 3 frames with different animals inside. Touch the arrow on the side of each frame to bring up a selection menu. Scroll up and down to see choices, and then tap the animal of choice. Simply color with your finger to reveal the inside of the insect. Swipe from the bottom up to return to the menu. Touch Settings, and let's take a look at the inside view. This view acts in the same way. Sometimes when children color, the frames will want to move around. Just like a sheet of paper, children can hold the corner of their frame or help a friend by holding theirs to keep the frame steady. When finished, swipe up from the bottom to return to the main menu and swipe from the top to close.